Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the fingerprint lock in this device. So before set the fingerprint lock, we need to set the screen lock in this device. So in this device I already set one pattern screen lock. Now let me show you how to set the fingerprint lock. For this, go to settings, then tap on security and privacy, tap on device unlock, tap on face and fingerprint unlock, then tap on fingerprint. Then here we need to enter our screen password. So now you can see the fingerprint scanner is enabled. So now I will show you how to do this procedure. So first we need to touch the fingerprint scanner with your finger. When the fingerprint scanner detect your fingerprint, then you will feel one vibration. Okay, then lift the finger, again touch. When the fingerprint scanner detect your fingerprint, then again you lift your finger, then again touch it and complete this procedure. Now you can see it's almost done. Yeah, it's done. Now tap on done. Now if you want to enable the face unlock, then you can enroll, otherwise cancel it. Now let me show you how it works. Lock the device. Now you can see the fingerprint scanner is also enabled. Tap on it. Now you can see it is unlocked. So simply in this way you can set the fingerprint lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.